Hello there, darling. Today we're going to make this simple but pretty dried flower wreath. It's so hard to be serious when I'm talking to a camera in my room by myself. Anywho, today we're making spring wreaths using dried flowers and thrifted wreaths. This project is so easy, it almost doesn't need a video. So dried flowers, wow, they were really popular back in the 80s. I had a group of friends that I would get together with and we would make wreaths. And actually, I think we sold them for charity, probably for like the local firehouse. But we would go in someone's basement and we would get an electric frying pan, shove a bunch of glue sticks in there, let it all melt down, and then just sit around and make glued wreaths. We used flowers, pine cones, whatever was on sale at the hobby store. But it was tons of fun and very easy. Like, it's kind of hard to mess up, which is great because, you want to do a craft that's not going to be messed up. What's my point? My point is, here's the process. And how easy was that? Cheap. And isn't it cute? Tell me how you decorate for spring. Do you put up wreaths? Do you put up decorations for Easter or flowers or anything like that? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.